Hello and welcome to What's Cooking, brought to you by Charlotte County Libraries and History. We are here today in historical downtown Punta Gorda at the Social House with Carissa and Alicia Scott, owners of this wonderful establishment. Tell us about this unique business that you have going here.
Go for it, Carissa. So we are a furniture store in downtown Punta Gorda. We also are a candy store and a dessert bar. Our concept is eat, drink, shop. So you can come in, you can shop. We have local artwork, we have home decor, furniture, of course. And you can also enjoy one of these wonderful cocktails while shopping. It just enhances your experience. We have beer and wine as well as candy cocktails. Inside of our candy store, we do candy by the piece as well as by the pound. We do desserts, anywhere from cakes, double doozies, pies, to our crazy milkshakes, which are 16 ounces of ice cream topped with entire desserts on top and candy bars inside of them as well. And we have an outdoor beer garden.
Alicia, tell us a little bit about this part of the business.
The furniture and home goods store, we've had the store for almost 5 years, so for us to be in Punta Gorda is amazing. This was going to be a second location for us, which we ended up closing our other location in Port Charlotte and just opening it here in Punta Gorda. It's been amazing for us to be here in downtown and to be able to cater to all of the locals. They're looking for furniture or local artists. We do a lot of events. We do sip and shops. We do all types of events for different organizations, and we host them in here, which is really nice.
Right.
While people can drink and shop, as well as we do a moonlight market once a month out on our patio, which we call our moonlight market. It's the third Thursday of every month, and we really enjoy doing that for the community as well.
Wonderful.
Yes.
Now you're located in actual historical buildings here, both locations. Tell us a little about that. How old are the buildings actually?
They're old. Some say that they were built and have been around since the 1900s. I don't know much about them. I just know that they've been around for a very long time. Carissa knows a lot more about them. She's more into history that way. So she'd be happy to tell you what this was. I think you said it was
It was one of the first talkie theaters in Florida. So
That is so fascinating.
yeah, so the entire it was a talkie theater, and then there's blueprints from the city of Punta Gorda that date back to the early 1900s. I believe 1905, 1906. So they are very, very old. The candy store was once a house. It was actually occupied and lived in. Like I said, the furniture store was an old talkie theater, which we thought was super cool and awesome.
Yes,
very interesting fact. There actually used to be on the side lot next to us and behind where our beer garden is, there used to be an old cigar factory back there, which is really, really cool.
Very
too.
cool.
Yeah, so.
Any ghost sightings at all, or rumors?
There are rumors that our little candy shop is haunted.
upstairs.
Upstairs is haunted in there.
Have you heard any odd noises at all, or?
The lights flicker a lot. But I try not to think about it.
Now you two ladies are actually totally local, born and raised in Punta Gorda. So tell us a little about that. Where did you go to school? What is your background?
Yeah, we both went to school here locally, elementary school and high school. We graduated from Charlotte High School. It's, again, a dream to be right on Marion Avenue and have our business here and kind of bring something new, something exciting to the community. That was kind of our whole idea. And we wanted to bring the community to a place where everyone could kind of feel comfortable, and it wasn't just for children, or it wasn't just for people looking for, things for their home. It was kind of a mixture of eat, drink, shop. You could come here, you could bring your whole family, you could enjoy desserts, as well as have a cocktail, or maybe, peruse through the store and pick up a little item for a family or a friend or for yourself. But yeah, we've lived here forever, our whole lives. Went to school in Tampa. We went to USF, so we definitely went to school and then came home. Carissa dabbled a little bit in New York and was, left for a little while, but came back. And then this kind of happened. So
What changes would you say you've seen in the area from childhood to now?
From childhood to now, I mean, on this block has always kind of been
the only block, really.
the only block, the main strip, the happening place to be. There's been a lot of changes, but there's also been a lot of things that have stayed the same too. Like there's always those like Celtic is a go-to spot. As far as
It's been very restaurant-y. I mean, in my opinion, it's you come down here and there's really no shopping or no experiences. It's just where are we going to go to dinner, and you go to River City or F.M. Dunn's or somewhere right on the strip. So I think that over the time, at least in the past year, there's been so many changes as far as more places to go shop and more experiences and things that are happening just in this specific area. The markets, the farmers markets on the weekends, Saturday and then Sunday over in Sullivan Street is really nice. It's just a great community. It's a great place to live, and I think some of us take for granted sometimes being here and having such a small little close-knit town, but you go anywhere else and you don't really have that feeling.
Yeah, it's quite refreshing.
Yeah.
It's definitely grown in size and population, but it still has that downtown homey feeling when you come over
it's
here.
that Punta Gorda charm.
Punta Gorda charm, which you add to a lot, right? And the Prosecco helps.
Yes, extremely. Yeah.
So how are you going to be spending Christmas this year?
So fortunately for us, family's huge for us. We come from a very large family.
Right.
We are 2 of 5 children, and we have made it a point over the last couple of years that we do close a week in the summer and then a week in the winter for Christmas and New Year's to be with our families and kind of spend that time. So we normally always do big Christmas together as our families and spend those times together and do those Christmas things, but we all kind of do different things outside of our families as well, traveling and do what we can for those couple days or week that we're closed.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's all about family.
Well, it definitely is, and what a nice segue, because you're going to be adding very soon to your wonderful family.
I am. We sure are. It seems like an every 2-year thing these days.
That's very nice.
Open a business, have a baby.
I'm Carissa. I'm from PG Social House, and today we are going to be making our Candy Cane Lane shake. It is one of our December specials this month. It's going to be a peppermint base topped with candy canes, little gingerbread man, gummies, little peppermint kisses, and green sprinkles. So we're just going to pour inside the base of the ice cream. Like I said, it's going to be a peppermint ice cream base. We actually do get this ice cream from Bluebell, which does have a facility in Punta Gorda, right in our backyard. Just put a little Christmas bow on there. Some whipped cream. Actually, I'm going to turn it this way. Then we're going to put in the little candy canes. Make it into a little heart. Have our little gingerbread people in there. Add our kisses. Ooh. And then we just top it with the sprinkles. Oops. And there it is.
Well, thank you for joining us today. Spencer and I have had a wonderful time here in Punta Gorda with Carissa and Alicia. We've had a lovely time. The hospitality has been great. So come and join them for a nice Christmas celebration at...
We're located downtown at 258 West Marion Avenue. across the street from Hessler's Floor, or the only car wash on Marion Avenue. You can also find us online, both of our websites, roombyroomfurnishings.com or pgsocialhouse.com, Instagram, Facebook, and all of that good stuff. And then our hours.
Our hours of operation for the furniture store, Room by Room, is going to be Tuesday through Saturday, 10 to 5. And then for PG Social House, it's Tuesday through Thursday, 3 to 8 p.m. And then Friday and Saturdays, 11 to 9.
And it's well worth the visit. We can attest to that. Happy holidays, ladies.
Yes.
Happy holidays.
Cheers. Cheers.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.